Hello everyone! For the month of January, we're going to be learning about dried fruit. But there's one in particular that I want to talk about today. Do you guys happen to know what it is? If you said dates, you're correct. Let's start by learning where dates come from. Most dried fruit, like dates, need a lot of sunlight, so they grow best in the warmer regions like California and Florida. Now that we know where dried fruit comes from, do you guys happen to know how we make dried fruit? If not, let's find out now. Most fruit is grown off of a vine or a tree, but dates in particular come from palm trees. They grow in big clusters at the top of the tree, which makes harvesting a little difficult because some palm trees can grow to be 75 feet tall. Once the fruit is cut, the drying process can happen naturally. To dry the fruit naturally, it is placed on a drying rack and left out in the sun for 2 to 4 weeks. Another way to make dried fruit is by using a dehydrator. The dehydrator pulls the water out of the fruit at a quicker rate than the sun can dry them. Do you guys know where dried fruit fits on my plate? Let's see if those answers are correct. If you said fruit, you're correct. The most popular dried fruits are raisins, figs, apricots, prunes, and dates. Other fruits like pineapple, mango, apples, and even bananas can also be found in a dried form. When shopping for dried fruit, choose varieties with no added sugar when possible. Words like candied or crystallized mean that sugar has been added to the outside of these fruits. Not sure what to do if you can't find a variety with no added sugar? Buy what's available. When fruits are dried, their nutrient content, as well as calorie and sugar content, becomes concentrated, so it's important to be mindful of portion size when eating dried fruits. Dates, like other dried fruits, are packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which means that this shelf-stable fruit keeps our heart healthy and our immune system strong, helps with digestion and proper bowel movements, and they even support a healthy blood pressure and help to ensure proper function of muscles and cells. Now that we know all of the great things that dried fruit can do for our bodies, let's see how we can enjoy it. Dried fruit is great just by itself as a snack, but it's even better when you add it into recipes. You can put it on top of salads, in oatmeal or cereal, or my favorite, you can bake with it and add it to any dessert. Dried fruit is a great way to naturally sweeten up a recipe without having to add any extra sugar. I hope you enjoyed learning about dried fruit today. Stay tuned to see what the next month's fruit or vegetable of the month is. Bye!